Good day, everyone. We are the Group 5. We are going to present the Module 5 Public Relations. Public Relations has two objectives: stakeholders and colleagues, type of stakeholders. Learning objectives: determine the stakeholders and colleagues, and enumerate the types of stakeholders. What is public relation? In the hospitality industry, public relations is defined by Hilton as the process by which we create a positive image and customer reference through third-party endorsement. But it's a general definition of it is a planned or strategic communication process that boosts relationship between the organizations and public with the common benefits, meaning spread of if informations between the organizations and public are managed and a purpose. Stakeholders. Stakeholders are people or organizations who may have interest in the activities and performances of the organizations. It also gives a direct influence to the success of a product or a service. The PR is a promoting at the beginning of the product creations. Determine or understand who may get affected or drawn to the products who will be launching.
The three types of stakeholders. First, internal. Second, external. And third, interface. The internal means are individually or groups who are directly and financially involved in the operation process. This includes employee, managers, and owners. Each these groups are potential reward directly for the success of their firm. For example, the manager employees want to earn high values and keep their jobs, so they have vested interest in the financial health and success for the market. And the owner naman is want to maximize the profit of the business, make as the compensation for the risk they take in owning or running of the business. The second of stake is external stakeholders. External stakeholders means these are individuals or groups of people who either interest or get affected with the activities of the PR. They are customers, suppliers, clients, and organizations who are interested or affected. For example, the customers are want to business to produce quality product of reasonable product, and suppliers are also need the business customer to buy their products in order to maintain their own profitable and long-term financial health. And also the community has a stake in business because it provides jobs which generate economic activity within the community. And also government need business to thrive in order to pay taxes that support government service such as education. And lastly is interface. Parang siya yung the function of both external and internal. The example of interface is stakeholders and board of directors. The 9 major activities of PR department. First, press relations. Second, product publicity. Third, corporate communication. Fourth, newsletter. 5, brochures and catalogs. 6, business event. 7, speaking engagements. 8, sponsors of partnership. And 9, community relations.
Number 1, press relations are the connection between a company or a group and the media. In the hospitality industry, a good relationship with the press can be very beneficial, given that there are lots of stories or information within the industry that are newsworthy, like for example, a group package your hotel is offering for the weekend, or a buy one take two offer in a coffee shop. 2. Product publicity. numerous efforts in broadcasting or promoting certain products or services, meaning it could be media coverage of the product or service which help in achieving the goal of marketing. 3. Corporate communication. Spreading of information connected to the company or a organization with both internal and external parties. The goal of this is to present information in a positive and easy to understand manner. This is very important in the hospitality industry. Given the active changing environment, communication has to be fresh and consistent. This may include merge, purchase of a brand or the company itself, new services, downsizing, and other relevant news.
Number 4. Newsletters. It could be printed or emailed newsletter. It's another way on promoting the business and communicates with the customer and keeping them aware with all the upcoming products and services. Number 5. Brochures and catalogs. Take-home activities that help your customers to be reminded of the products and services the company has to offer. Number 6. Business events. An opportunity for business people to have exposure that benefits the company they are attached into.
7. Speaking engagement. Speaking in an event allows or position you as superior in your field. Number 8. Sponsorship or partnership. Establishing of good relationship with the public that can help them to identify the brand with good business practices and good ethics. Number 9. This may help an organization in building the profile and the image of the organization. Thus, it have influence to the public. Have a good relationship allows you to have more customers through word of mouth. Thank you.